So if we select attachments, we will see that we can simply drag and drop attachments here in this box where it says drop files here, or we can simply go to insert and add them manually. Here's where we would add any critical documentation that would be needed in terms of proof of delivery, for example, or any other document that is of high importance and that we can always link to one of the events that we have submitted. So let's say there's an event submission. We have received one of the critical documents for one of the events we have submitted, and now we are adding that document to the attachments tab for this specific freight order. We either drag and drop it here in this box, or we simply click on insert, select if what we're going to attach is a folder, file, or URL. In this case, we'll attach a file. We click on the file option, and that will load this window where we have to state if the attachment type is an attachment, a legal document, a link, or a rate table. So in this case, I'm just going to leave attachment. I'm going to write the description. Let's say in this case, I'm just going to write proof of delivery. Click on next. And now the content is actually the file itself. So simply click on browse and search for this file on your computer. And once we allow the system to access our files, we simply select the file that we want to attach. For example, in this case, I'm just going to attach this PDF, and you would click on OK. Once the file is attached, it'll show on this line, as you can see here, with all the descriptions and also the option to make this file visible, internal or external. In this case, I will say external, so it can be viewed by a freight forwarder or a vendor if necessary. You can also make a change in the attachment type. Let's say now it's a legal document. We can always make that change. And if you scroll to your right, just the definition of the type of document you are uploading. So in this case, we would have already attached one of the files that we consider important. We would have attached, in this case, for the purpose of this video tutorial, let's say this is the proof of delivery document that is linked to a specific event that we submitted under the execution tab. And if we want to delete the attachment, we would simply select the line, click on the bin, of course confirm that we're going to delete this file, and we could start over again. Remember, you could either drag and drop the files or simply insert them as we have done here.